today's video, what we've got is an ABS pump for a Ford Fiesta. This one's a Mark V though. In this video what we're going to be doing is just tearing it down, having a look inside it and sort of seeing what's what. To remove the ABS pump, what I've had to do is I've had to unscrew all the brake lines that go to the ABS line, the ABS pump. Once they're unscrewed, unplug it, which is that big large connector at the bottom of it, and then unmount it, and then that's it removed. So I'm just going to take the mount that mounts the ABS pump onto the actual car itself, the body. Just going to take that off. Okay, now we've removed that, what we're going to do is we're going to start with these two Torx screws that are on the actual sort of cylinder part of the ABS. One's a lot longer than the other obviously, but it's pretty much holding this whole unit together, as well as some sort of seals and gaskets. And once you've removed those, it's quite tough and quite difficult, but you can sort of jiggle it about a bit and it will just pop off eventually. So as you can see from this one, it's a little bit scabby. Could do with a good clean down, and yeah, the bearing on that does not feel good at all. Oh yeah, and obviously there's the reason why it's quite tough is you've got the prongs, and just removing the top metal from the actual the plastic bottom. Now the bottom plastic is actually sealed, the PCB is actually sealed in, so what I'm probably going to do is leave that for another video. But yeah, this is a good sort of look at the inside of an ABS pump. Not a great deal to it really. This one's not in the best of nick, but to be fair, it probably still worked. So what I'm going to do is I am going to put this back together, just in case it is a working unit. I haven't got a use for it, because obviously I haven't got a Mark V, mine's unfortunately the Mark VI, but such is life. Again, if you like this video, then please subscribe for more. Thank you very much. Have a great day.